Right, so we've got a 2018 R6. The check engine light came on. As you can see there, when you fire it up, it stays on. What happened was, got a puncture in the rear tyre, took the wheel out, got it repaired, put the wheel back in, started the bike up while it was on the paddock stand, put it in gear to make sure that it was rotating freely and everything, and after a while the check engine light came on, which is a bit of a noob mistake, but never mind, you learn. To take it to Yamaha to get the plugged in and get it on the diagnostics and all that sort of crap, it's going to cost money. So I thought, well, you know, look on eBay, see if you can get the obd connector or whatever, and yeah, pick one up for less than 20 quid. So what you will need is this connector here, which is a 4-pin connector going onto an obd connection, and you need a obd reader, which is pretty piss easy to get hold of, by 15-20 quid. So on a 2018 R6, what you'll need to do is remove the seat. I've already unbolted it, and then you need to look for the connection, which is there. What you do, pop it in, you'll see a little dust cap. Try and do this. So remove this dust cap, bear with me. Right, so you can see the little dust caps off. There you go. So you get your little connector. This is it. And plug it in. With a click. obd's reader. Now this is pretty straightforward. You plug the obd reader in as such. You'll see that it powers up. It'll start doing so there we go. So it's doing a scan. Oh, it's still doing a scan. What have I done wrong? Oh, we're doing something. Come on. Oh, link in error. Right. I haven't turned the ignition on. So, ignition on. Right. Scan. It's waiting. Basically, the check engine light came on because the rear wheel was turning, the sensor was reading it turning, the front wasn't turning, so it become a fault. So it's found two faults. So let's press this. One fault pending. So okay. So it's a P0500 code twice. I'm assuming that that's the front and rear wheel sensor. So we'll press enter again. We'll scroll down for the raise. Yes. Enter. Wait. Waiting for it. Scanning again. Array's done. Okay. Let's have a quick look. Check engine light's gone off. Switch off. Switch back on again. check engine light on, this off, and there you have it. So this little scanner here, you know, 15 quid. This little connector here, you know, you can probably get it for less than 20 quid. If you want a link or the supplier where I got mine from, yeah, just hit me up. And want to know anything else about the R6, let me know. Thanks for watching.